What's up YouTube? Today we're going to be introducing you to our FELKCAM-6 UTV Universal Rollbar Speaker Kit and how easy it is to install. This speaker kit features two 6.5-inch carbon fiber coaxial two-way speakers with a max RMS power of 300 watts each, as well as our APTV 500.2 500 watt 2-channel full range Class D amplifier, which has an IP67 waterproof rating, allowing it to be fully submerged up to 1 meter deep in water for up to 30 minutes without being damaged. Also included in this kit are 6 different types of spacers, which allow the speakers to be installed onto any UTV make or model. So now that you know what's included in the UTV speaker kit, let's head to JM Honda in Miami, Florida, where we'll be demonstrating how to install the FELKCAM-6 onto one of their Honda Pioneer 700s. So there you have it. If you'd like to learn more about the FELKCAM-6, visit our website or click on the link in the description below. Feel free to drop a question about the FELKCAM-6 in the comments section, or if you have a question about installation. We'd like to give a special thank you to JM Honda for partnering with us on this installation. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful. Catch you on the next one.